We got both the kids here today. Jonathan and Ian is back. Hasn't been with us for a little while. Well, he's been with us, just not with me. He's taking the van, gonna go get some materials. Big traffic on the Newburgh Beacon Bridge here, so plans are rapidly changing. Just another day at the office. Let's go. One of the things my father has taught me, among many others, is that efficiency is very, very important. So we get the pump on this system as soon as we arrive. This way we can start working on other things while the system is draining. I'm trying to figure out how this fucking thing works. Big strong guy. Like you're doing something really important. Oh my God, you're crumbling under the pressure right now.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Don. This is the money shot right here. This is boiler bliss. 3 guys working on 3 separate tasks without stepping all over each other. The basement did not look exactly like this when we rolled up. We had to spend about 15 minutes picking up and moving some of the customer belongings out of our way, but doing that saves you a bunch of time in the long run. At this point, I've done quite a few boiler installs with both of these guys, so they have their jobs that they're proficient at, and they kind of just get started on them once the boiler is in place. I don't have to delegate too much anymore. They ask questions when questions are required, but for the most part, they do what they do, and I do what I do, and at the end, we have a beautiful end result.
Pre-sale access at rockthecountry.com.
That's ingenuity right there.
Nice stuff, right?
Spittoon?
Ready? Okay, that's good. Beautiful. All right, let's press it up. If you've made it this far into the video, I very much appreciate that. I'm not sure if you guys would rather me talk more during the video or just let the sounds and sights of doing the job kind of do the talking. Let me know in the comments what you'd prefer, and I'll try to accommodate you.
Is the water off?
I turned it off. I don't know if somebody turned it back on. I am a neat person. John is also fairly neat, but you cannot judge us off of what the job site looks like right now. It happens. It gets out of hand really quickly. There's not a lot of room to work in here. Tools are flying. Debris is going everywhere. Got to take a break here soon and clean up a little bit. All right, you ready? Yep. Okay. Pick it up. Oh, good. I'm glad you think so.
This is what you don't want to do when someone's recording you. Oh boy.
As punishment,
Camera's
you're
out.
gonna
The kid.
unpress that cap, and then we're gonna turn the water on. And you're gonna put your face in front of it for the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Nasty. As we are putting the finishing touches on the install, we always wrap up with a combustion analysis. This is important even on brand new pieces of equipment to ensure that they are burning safely and efficiently. No installation is complete without doing this, and it allows us to put our name and sticker on the finished product, and it allows the customer to be able to sleep soundly at night knowing that their brand new boiler is running safely for them and their family. I did get a phone call earlier in the heating season from a subscriber named Oscar. He was wondering if we could do a video all about combustion analyzation, and it is definitely on my to-do list. I have a bunch of videos compiled that I'll be putting together here in the near future, going over how and why you should do one, so keep your eye out for that video. Aside from that, we're showing the finished product. All the loops are purged, the boiler is running, and the customer now has a warm home. And to reiterate again, I really appreciate you guys watching all our videos, and we'll see you on the next one.